Hey YouTube, this is 69 is the best way 69, and I started biking. I might quit skating, but make a bike check. There's my bike. It's a Mirraco SX 2011. I know it's not the greatest, but I barely started, so it's real cheap. I got stock handlebars, Colt Faith grips, Colt bar ends, Coalition Pava 2 stem, stock tapered forks, stock rim, stock hubs, stock spokes, stock pegs, stock tires, everything stock mostly. The frame, not integrated, falling into place. Animal Hamilton plastic pedals, stock vice cranks, shadow interlock chain in white, snafu OLA stem, stolen pivotal plastic combo in glow in the dark, stock back rim, hub, spokes, and tire, and that's it. Yeah. It didn't cost that much. It was like $400 for everything. It weighs 25 pounds. I'm looking to get a new back wheel. My spokes are messed up. Pegs. I need a hook guard. And I run brakeless. So, comment if you like it. If you don't, tell me, ask me if I need anything. Tell me if I need anything.